Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can auto-lock in Tango immediately. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on privacy. After that, you can see the option of passcode lock. Then you can see the option of auto lock in. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of immediately. Tap on it. Next tap on save. So this is how you can auto lock in Tango immediately. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.